Okay, so go to the high roof level because that's where your beams are going to be for the right side of your building. Okay, you can edit the work plane. So you can edit the work plane and say high roof. So you're working on the high roof. Click OK. Just say unjoin. So just go to the high roof, right? That's it. High roof. And then create beam or look for beam. Okay. And then the beam has to be a 150 by 24. So you don't have that. So kindly load family metric. Beam under structure. Yep. Yep. So structure, high roof, beam. That's it. High roof, beam. You don't have the beam that is required. That's a MW wide flange, 150 by 24. So what you need to do is you need to load family metric and then go down and look for structural framing. Okay, look for structural framing for the beam. Double click. It's a steel beam, so steel. Look for MW and wide flange. Okay, so high roof, structure, beam, load family, go to US metric, structural framing, steel, and look for MW or wide flange. Where is it? There it is. Open. Okay, you need a 150 by 24. So go down and look for a 150 by 24. Click OK. Now for beam, you need to go from intersection to intersection. Okay, so level, high roof, level, high roof, structural usage, automatic is okay, or girder, or joist, or purlin, so automatic. And go from intersection to intersection, one at a time, okay? Intersection to intersection. Now, you can place on grid, but I highly recommend that you do it from intersection to intersection because sometimes the beam goes straight from one point to the next and you actually need to cut it at the column. So from intersection to intersection, intersection to intersection, intersection to intersection. Or if you make one and then you can create copies if you want that. Right? For now, just do intersection to intersection. And then you should be able to, once you have done that, have these beams right here. Okay, have these beams right here. This one will be lower. So for the left side, you need to go to the mid roof and you're using the same wide flange. Okay. So structure, beam, wide flange, but this time change this to mid roof. Okay, and then draw the beams. Okay, from intersection to intersection, intersection to intersection, intersection to intersection, and so on and so forth. Once you have done that, then you should have a completed beam. Without, you won't have the beam system yet. Okay, no beam system, but you would have the beam already.